book already. Last week, I just plant them corn. Funny corn them already, guys. Yeah, this is how I go on so far. I have 4 banana for plant up on the hill there. Charlie planting. This is the red banana. Red banana, cheap planting. Last week, I just plant them corn and look on them. Already, my people. Funny corn them already, guys. Yeah, this is how I go on so far. Yeah, man, okra grew up on it already. Yeah, man, dig a plant tree right up there, so. Yeah, plant out a whole heap of things, people pumpkin like crazy. Pumpkin. And some pepper and plant last week. Yeah, man, more pepper, pumpkin, corn. So, man, dig a plant tree right there, so. Right there, so, my people. The pick here. Yeah, man, so stay tuned, watch your gun. Yeah, man, I dig a plant tree on the hillside. Okay, guys. So I'm going so far there. Plant 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plants sucker, guys. Okra them come up good. Big okra. Corn. Right, see next one over there, so. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the hillside. Alright, guys, stay tuned, people. Subscribe to each channel. You see the process. Yeah. Hillside farming. Yes, guys. Line up a fishing rod. Catch a prey, guys. Okay, so this lock. It's a lock.
So John meanwhile. Wait.
Get in there, guys. Get in there. Just want to line it up now. Get a couple of hook through it. Yeah, man, we're gonna get some fish out the seaside. Get there for days. Fly up. I'll eat it.
You know, I run. Sweet yes, man.
Get in there. Get in there, my peeps.
Okay, if bait you want.
Yes, man, bait there for days.
Anyone you want to use. Show them the weather.
Okay, look at that.
You see them now? I did my
People catch a hook already.
really up.
Yeah, really.
See, they are easy. Easy 1, 2, 3. See that?
Yeah, guys, I got the bait on it now. Everything fully active. Like that. Yeah, man. Out of sea we gone now. Dangerous hook.
Jump in the man.
Tell us, get a little shower of rain, look what go on the road. As you can see, be a water on it. Leave them. Yeah. Look what go on up there. Yeah, man, thing them a grow. Soak with water.